Why are you so stressed, Aashita?
I study tenses every day, but still, I'm not getting it.
Well, the correct sentence is I study tenses every day.
See, I told you.
Don't worry, I'm here to teach you tenses step by step. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are kicking off a brand new series for absolute beginners, which is learning tenses step by step. This series is packed with clear explanations and fun exercises to help you master tenses. First up, we will tackle the simple present tense. Before we dive into the series, I have a little request. Many viewers haven't subscribed yet, but it's never too late to join our community. Hit that subscribe button now and let's learn together. I promise to bring you valuable content you won't want to miss. What is the simple present tense? The simple present tense provides a snapshot of actions that happen in the present. Suppose this is a timeline where the left side represents the past, the middle represents the present, and the right side represents the future. Then, simple present tense was true in the past, is true now, and will be true in the future as well. For example, the moon revolves around the earth. This was true in the past, is true now, and will be true in the future as well. When we should use simple present tense? It's generally used to describe three things. Number one, habits. For example, I wake up early every morning. As my action of waking up early was true in the past, is true now, and will be true in the future as well, it comes under simple present tense. Number two, fact. For instance, the earth revolves around the sun. This is a universal truth or fact which was true in the past, is true in the present, and will be true in the future as well. And number three, general truth. For instance, cats love to sleep. This is a general truth which was true in the past, true now, and will be true in the future as well. So, Aashita, do you remember usages of simple present tense?
Yes, it has three main usages: habits, routines, and general truth.
Perfect. Can you give me an example of any of your habits?
Mm, I drink milk every morning.
Nice. However, there is a mistake in this sentence. But we can correct it with a magic formula for simple present tense. The formula is subject plus base verb. Let me take some subjects. I, you, we, they. And some verbs. Walk and go. Let's do a match now. I walk, I go. You walk, you go. We walk, we go. They walk, they go. But wait, there's a twist for singular third person subjects. He, she, and it. We add s, es, or ies to the base verb. For example, she walked is incorrect. The correct sentence is she walks. And he go is incorrect. The correct sentence will be he goes. Now, can you correct your mistake?
Yes, the sentence will be I drink milk every morning.
Wow. Now, I will give you a verb, sleep, and subject I, we, and she. Can you create three sentences based on these learnings?
Sure, the sentences are I sleep every day, we sleep every day, she sleeps every day.
Great. Here we learned all about positive sentences. What if we want to make sentences negative? Easy. We add don't or doesn't before the base verb. So the structure will be subject plus don't or doesn't plus base verb. For example, I walk will become I don't walk. He eats will become he doesn't eat. She sleeps will become she doesn't sleep. Now, are you ready to turn a sentence into a question? Here, the structure is do plus subject plus base verb. For example, do you like pizza? And for third person singular subject, the structure is does plus third person singular subject plus base verb. So the sentence will be, does he speak French? Notice, during the question formation, verbs base form will come and not verbs SES form. We have got enough understanding of simple present tense now. However, there are common mistakes that we generally make while framing simple present tense. Number 1, don't confuse it with the present continuous tense. The simple present tense describes regular actions or habits, and present continuous tense describes actions happening right now. So instead of saying he is cooking food every day, say he cooks food every day. Similarly, instead of saying she cooks food now, say she is cooking food now. Mistake number 2, incorrect usage of verbs S, ES, IS form and S, ES, IS form in case of singular third person subjects only, which are he, she and it. Don't add S, ES, IS in other subjects like I, you, we, they. So, he walks is incorrect, while he walks is correct. Similarly, I walks is incorrect, while I walk is correct. Now, let me ask you one question. Is Nihir walk correct or Nihir walks correct? Nihir walks is correct because Nihir comes under third person singular subject. So we need to avoid this common mistakes. Now, here are some pro tips to master simple present tense. Number 1, frequency adverbs. Use words like always, often, sometimes and never to show how often an action happens. For example, she always wins at the board games. Number 2, time expressions. Pair your verbs with words like every day, every Sunday or on Mondays for extra clarity. For example, I play every day. Let's sum up what we have learned till now with some questions. I swims every day. Is this sentence correct? This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I swim every day. Now, can you convert it into a negative sentence? The negative sentence is I do not swim every day. Now, can you convert it into a question form? The question form is, do I swim every day? So we have learned all about simple present tense. We all know that practice makes us perfect. So let's test your profound knowledge by correcting the below sentences and also writing their negative and question forms. The sentences are, she studies every day. I laughs very often. The moon revolves around the earth. Did you write all the answers, Aashita?
Yes, I think so. It was a nice session.
Thanks. I will check your answer sheet.
Now, I want to learn the next tense.
Sure, I will teach you the next tense. Please practice until then. Thank you for watching the video. Would you also like to learn the next tense? Then do subscribe this channel. We will be uploading new videos in this series frequently. Also, if you have any questions or queries related to this lesson or any grammar or writing lessons, please message in the comment. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.